What is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your YouTube videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube search results. This helps you attract more organic, unpaid traffic and get your content in front of your target audience. Why is YouTube SEO important? Increased visibility. Higher rankings mean more people will find your videos when searching on YouTube. More traffic, more visibility leads to more views and engagement on your videos. Brand awareness. A well-optimized channel and videos can help build brand awareness and recognition. Potential revenue. For creators with monetized channels, higher viewership can lead to increased ad revenue. Key YouTube SEO strategies. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's own search bar to find keywords people are searching for. Target long-tail keywords. These are more specific keywords with less competition, which can be easier to rank for. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords. Include your target keywords naturally in your titles and descriptions. Write compelling descriptions. Make your descriptions informative and engaging to encourage viewers to click and watch. Use relevant tags. Help YouTube categorize your videos. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the topic of your video. Create engaging thumbnails. Use eye-catching visuals. A good thumbnail can make a big difference in attracting clicks. Encourage viewers to interact. Respond to comments. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Ask questions. Encourage viewers to leave comments and share their thoughts. Optimize for closed captions and transcripts. Make your videos accessible. Closed captions and transcripts help YouTube understand your content and make it accessible to a wider audience. Promote your videos. Share on social media. Promote your videos on your other social media channels. Embed videos on your website. Embed your videos on your website or blog to increase views. Additional tips. Create high-quality content. Focus on creating videos that are informative, entertaining, and valuable to your audience. Post consistently. Consistency helps you build an audience and keep them engaged. Track your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos and make data-driven decisions. By following these YouTube SEO strategies, you can improve your video rankings and attract more viewers to your channel. https://mujahidalibut.com/YouTube SEO. Thanks for watching.